How to graft Christmas cactus onto a cactus. First, make a cut at the cactus's areole, the spot where the spines grow. Then, using a sharp blade, create a 2 cm deep incision at that spot. For the Christmas cactus leaf used in grafting, choose a healthy, full, and plump leaf. Trim the base flat. Narrow the sides a little, and make a cut along both sides of the leaf, as shown in the video, exposing the central pith inside the Christmas cactus leaf. Insert the prepared Christmas cactus leaf gently into the cactus incision. Use the cactus spines to secure the Christmas cactus leaf firmly in place. That's all there is to it. Avoid getting the grafted area wet for the first 2 weeks. Place it somewhere with some indirect light and good air circulation for care. Following this method, the graft usually takes root in about 20 days. It's a simple and easy technique. Anyone can learn it quickly. Here's a natural trick to nourish all your flowers using soybeans. Fill a cup with cooked soybeans. Add a spoonful of sugar and place a cutting from the flower you want to grow into the cup. Pour in some water, and in 2 to 3 weeks, the cutting will root successfully in another container. Sprinkle a handful of cooked soybeans. Add some tea leaves. Pour in a cupful of white vinegar, and add 1 liter of warm water. Let this mixture ferment for 3 days. Use this to water plants that are struggling, and soon you'll see them flourish with lush leaves and branches. Garlic is also great for rooting cuttings. Even bougainvillea branches root quickly this way. Simply cut some branches from a neighbor's plant, and they'll root well too. After cutting the branches, prepare a container with clean water. Rub garlic juice from a clove of garlic onto the base of the bougainvillea cuttings. Place the treated cuttings in the water. Keep them in a shaded, well-ventilated spot, avoiding direct sunlight. In about 20 days, you'll see small white roots developing at the base. Just watering flowers won't keep them healthy without proper care. They might wilt in less than 6 months. To nurture plants well, understand what nutrients they need. Feed clivia with onion water. It encourages thick, lush leaves. Water gardenias with garlic water. This helps prevent yellowing leaves and root rot. Golden pothos loves soybean soup. It grows vibrant and strong, climbing beams with ease. Add a pinch of salt for snake plants. They'll flower more readily. Asparagus fern thrives on sugar water. Its leaves stay green and healthy without yellowing. White vinegar is a miracle for plants. It keeps flowers and leaves fresh and prevents root rot. Kalanchoe grows well with a little beer. Thick leaves and abundant blossoms follow. Peace lilies appreciate orange peel water. Their branches grow lush and upright.